was a perfect example of how not to start a dirt bike. First of all, you want proper gear, long sleeve shirt, pants, preferably motocross boots, and a good helmet and a neck brace if you really want to be safe. If the bike is cold, you want to turn the choke on as well as the gas if you want to ride for a while. Two-stroke, you know, usually just kick it and go, but if it's a four-stroke, sometimes it's a little bit harder. You want to kick it over, then get it to top dead center where there's a little bit of pressure there, and then just kick it all the way down. You want to make sure it gets all the way down. And don't touch the throttle when you're trying to start, otherwise the Kickstarter might kick back and hurt you. If it's cold, don't rev it up, just let it idle. But this isn't cold.
And that's all, folks.